Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ahrefs for competitive content planning, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Ahrefs website at ahrefs.com. On the homepage, look for the sign up or start free trial button. Click on the button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that is secure and easy for you to remember. Review their terms and conditions, and tick the approval box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Ahrefs. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Ahrefs website. Log in with your newly created credentials. You may see an option to choose a subscription plan. Evaluate the available plans based on your content planning needs. Select a plan that suits your goals and budget. Enter your payment information in the provided fields. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will gain access to your Ahrefs dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Begin using Ahrefs for competitive content planning by exploring its features. Utilize the Site Explorer to analyze competitors' content strategies. Use the Keywords Explorer to find content ideas based on search terms. Take advantage of the Content Explorer to discover popular articles in your niche. Start planning your competitive content strategy using the insights gathered. Refer to the Ahrefs Help Center for additional resources and tutorials as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.